Hello alchemists. What does a Hindu goddess, diamonds and darkness have in common? 3 words. Kali Noir Diamond, the face of alchemy for July of 2016, is a criminal profiler with a rising career in a goth scene. I was a little bit nervous about this interview because, well, you know, profiling. Criminal. Damn, I'm busted. Hello, Kali.
Hello.
Serial crimes profiler turned goth model, or was it the other way around?
Well, both things came at the same time because those are the things that I love, gothic style and discovering how the minds of evil people work and how to stop them from harming other people again. So those things came simultaneously for me.
Often goth people are seen as suicidal, weirdos, self-harming, Satanists, whatever. I mean, how much of this is really true? How much do those who like dark aesthetics compare to those who are truly dark people of this world?
Well, those are two completely different things. I love goth style, because of the fashion, music, and the lifestyle, tattoos, piercings, and everything. And I don't think that other goths also find it attractive because we are evil, we are depressed, we want to harm somebody. Those are two completely different things. On one side, those are evil people who don't have to have anything to do with goth style. On the other side, those are people who just like to wear black.
Wearing black and being goth is a form of expression, and you love to express yourself in your blog. You often write about the segregation within the goth community. So, with that in mind, what the fuck is elite goth, upper class, super goth, royalty, whatever?
Yes, the exact term is upper class goth. I don't really know what that is. I don't think that anyone knows what that is, even the people who use that term. It's something that's been invented by the people who want to portray themselves as better than anyone else, more goths, I don't know, have more money, more popular, whatever. But it's completely insane to create even bigger segregation in one community that's already frowned upon by the mainstream society. So I think it's completely stupid.
So basically we need more unity in goth and alternative scene.
Of course, that's what we need the most.
Beside blog, you also write books. Actually, you just got published in your country of origin. What is the book about? Is it fiction, non-fiction? What genre it is? And do we get the chance to read it at some point worldwide?
Yeah, it's a book. It's my firstborn, and it's science fiction / fantasy / I'm not really sure what that is. But it's a completely made-up world and a completely made-up story, and it's about to be published here in Serbia, and the plan is to have it translated into English in a year's time or so.
Kali, you are unusual goth model, one might say a plus-size goth model. How is this working out for you, and do you think it inspires other girls to enter the modeling in the goth scene, even though they're not like the classical shapes of goth?
Yes, I'm not really plus size with the exact measurements because they are still a bit bigger than I am, but I am also not the regular Morticia, super skinny goth girl, and it's working out really great for me. Sponsors and brands, designers are searching to work with me because I can really show the other side, the more average side of a female body, that every girl can actually wear goth style and look great in it.
What does a goth model eat?
Me personally, junk food.
Kali, from a profiler's perspective, are we here at Alchemy all nuts?
No, you're actually, those guys who appear normal, those are the scariest types. Guys who appear crazy are generally cool.
Well, Kali, you're a sparkling girl with a sparkling attitude. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.
Well, there you are. Come and join us at Alchemy because we're a bunch of cool people. At least that's what Kali Noir says, our face of Alchemy, and I will not argue with faces of Alchemy, especially not if they're criminal profilers. Come and join us no matter how crazy, weird, or antisocial you are, because here you can at least promote your ideas, your visions, or whatever your passion is. Make your portfolio, your website, your shop, whatever the hell you want. Be good, be bad, but always be who you are. See you.